In the last video, I sanded my cutting board to 150. So today I started from 180, 240, and then I spray water on it and leave it to dry. This way, the greens will pop up, and then you can able to get the smooth finish after higher grit sanding. Then after that, I started 320, 400, 800, and then 1000. Then from 2000 grit, I started a wet sanding. It will give a very nice shine. Then 3000 grit, and then off camera I did some hand sanding with 5000 grit. I'm using Butcher Block Food Safe mineral oil. You make sure that you put enough amount of mineral oil so it can soak into the wood properly. Here's the final project. Please do write in comments how you like my project. Rate my project from 1 to 10. I will really appreciate that. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching, guys.